10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hi there, this is Saktivel welcoming you to another episode of NumberRoyale. I'm glad to see so many of you here. Welcome to each and every one of you. A shout out to Tejas, Siddharth, Bonesh, Selva, Subhash, Sangeeta, Numbers Guy, Shravan, and Kyle. We also have Muthupandi on. So welcome each and every one of you. So let me address a question that was asked yesterday. Remember the last question, nobody was able to answer. So it was a little bit of a tricky question. It was 4 numbers, 4, 11, 19, and 7. So someone asked me what the answer was. So it's 4 times 11 is 44, 19 minus 7 is 12. So 44 minus 12 gets you 32. So I know, under time pressure, you may be missing some of that, but that's okay. There's also another housekeeping information that I wanted to pass on to you. So far, you have told us that, hey, when I sign in, the only time I can play is at the match schedule time. There's nothing else to do. So we listened. We have made another version available, which should be available within the 24 hours on both the iOS and Android platforms, where there will be a button for try samples in your home page. So after this match, and maybe sometime later today, you will have an update and you can try samples. So that samples would be similar problems to what you're facing today in the match, right? On the next upcoming match. So you can practice and get better. So I don't want to see anybody, any of these problems where nobody answers it, right? So we have a lot of very smart people. So let's get all of them involved in it and let's get going. So are you all ready for the match today? I think you are. So let's get started with question 1. This is the warm-up question. Get your fingers all warmed up and the brain working in full speed. So we've got 8, 3, and 11. There are 2 possible solutions. Is it 8 plus 3 or 3 plus 8? So we got Rashika Venkat saying hi, and Lashets is coming from Moon as usual. So, wow, everybody has figured it out. This crowd is too smart. I think we need to go into a little bit more challenging issues. 32 of you have done 8 plus 3 is 11. So everybody is a leader, 32 points, right? All right, let's move on to question 2. This crowd is getting livelier and livelier by the minute. 9.7, 1.2. Just one solution, right? Its desired result is 8.5. Maybe we ought to give you a couple of possible solutions to see how things go. So at this point, everybody is going to get it. I know this crowd. And all right, 31 of you got 9.7 minus 1.2 is 8.5. So let me ask our engineers to program it so that we get multiple solutions in decimals. All right. So let's move on to question 3. 9, 6, 4, and a desired result of 60. There are 4 possible solutions. Notice the multiplication operator is lit up and available. So you need to make sure that you have. So we have 60 is a desired result, and I'm trying to mentally solve it along with you, and I don't have the solution in my hand. So, wow, there's only 3 of you who have given this, and so it must be a pretty challenging one, huh? But once you see the solution, it's simple. 9 plus 6 is 15 times 4 is 60. So the leader now is at 65, and those of you who didn't get it, don't despair. You can still come back because the leader got only 2 points out of this. Okay, so no big deal. Let's move on to question 4. 6, 5, and 4 with a desired result of 44. So once again, multiplication is involved. Be aware. So that's and we have given you more time because we noticed that you needed a little bit more time. So for the 3 numbers, we have given you 20 seconds, and for 4 numbers, we give you 25 seconds. So this is going to be interesting to see how many of you get it. And this is good. So we have 4 possible solutions, and about 20 of you have gotten it. So congratulations, each and every one of you. 6 plus 5 is 11 times 4 is 44. So that's good. And I also wanted to acknowledge a milestone. We've got 40 players who showed up today. So that's the next incremental step. And I'm glad that you're talking to your friends and getting them involved in it. So we would like to go beyond 50 tomorrow. All right. So help us and see what you can do to reach out to your friends and family. And let's go, grow the community. Let's move on to question 5. 5, 12, and 3 with the desired result of 51. So that's going to be a little bit, whenever I look at these numbers, I try to solve it myself, and I have to admit that I don't have a solution in my head right now. So, it's a little bit of a challenge coming up with this. So here we go with one possible solution is 12 plus 5 is 17 times 3 is 51. So 7 of you have gotten it. So the multiplication seems to be challenging some of you, but still not a big difference, right? The leaders only gained 7 points out of it. So 84 is the leader's points. And let's move on to question 6. 8, 3, 7, and 2 with a desired result of 2 with 60 possible solutions. So this one I expect a lot of you to handle it, and I'm expecting at least 20 to 30 of you would be solving it, right? So it's pretty simple, and go for it. And I think you've locked all your answers in. So and any comments that you have, please let us know, and we'll try to accommodate them. So there are 6 out of the 60 possible solutions. 10% of the solutions have been used. The leading point getter is 13 with the leader at 95 points. And so let's move on to question 7. 18, 12, 15, and 3 with a desired result of 18. So this is just addition and subtraction. No more on the, no multiplication or division. So it's still pretty straightforward. 150 possible solutions. So you have no excuse not getting the answer. And I think somebody here saying, they still have math on the moon. Math is everywhere. It's a universal language, right? So, oh boy, 15 solutions. I think that's a record. We've never seen that many solutions given for a single puzzle. So we've got 7 of you giving the leading solution, and the leader is at 99 points. So we've got the final question coming up. Let's move on to question 8. 3, 12, 14, and 4 with a desired result of 25. And there are 90 possible solutions, and you've got addition, subtraction, multiplication as well. So I don't have a clue as to how you solve this one. But in case you don't get it like yesterday, we post the answer in Facebook. So go to Facebook, follow us on NumberRoyale, and you will get an update. All right. So that's another way we keep in touch with our community. and you can also get good. This is I knew that this is a smart crowd. We've got 9 possible solutions out of the 90 that have been given. So it's addition and subtraction. 6 is the leading point getter, and the leader remains at 99. So looks like whoever was the leader didn't get this answer from the last puzzle, but that's okay. Somebody else might have caught up as well. So we may have co-leaders, or we may have to crown more than one person as the number royale for the day today. So let's go on and take a look at the leaderboard, or the winners for today. So let's take a look at who the leaders are. And Hema Deepu 03 is with 99 points, is the number royale for the day. And congratulations to Hema Deepu. Rati is close behind at 97. Srinidhi is at 96. Ratna, Selvi, and Lashets follow close behind. So congratulations to each and every one of you. You may be wondering why we have 21 winners when we announce that there will be 20. What happens is we take the top 20 positions, and if there is a tie in the 20th position or so, then we give the winner, we make them also the winner. So that's how we got 21 winners. So congratulations to each and every one of you with 24 cents apiece. That's a good deal. In addition to having fun, you also made some money, and I hope you enjoyed this 10 minutes of stay with us. And I know that there's a lot of things happening in the world, and your mind is occupied with other stuff. But I'm glad you came in and joined us for 10 minutes to take your mind away from the other things that are serious things that are going on. I wish you all would stay safe and be healthy. So this is Saktivel signing off. Remember, without numbers, you're not even a zero. Be a hero, play Number Royale every day, and bring your friends and family in. Thank you.